In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Smart Audiobook Player app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to do this, we need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here. And from Play Store, go ahead and search using the search bar here. If you can see it, you should be able to see a search icon down here. Tap on it, and now you can go ahead and just search for your app, Smart Audiobook Player. Then tap on search icon here, and this will take you to this app. Now if you tap on it, you can see this is the right app for us to download and install on our smartphone. It is from Book Software, so make sure this is the maker or the company for this app. And then at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.9 and over 176,000 reviews. And the file size of this app is approximately 2.6 MBs. And currently it has over 5 million downloads. And you can see the app icon is this. So go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Smart Audiobook Player. And then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here. Or now if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see our app is here. Tap on it to launch it, and this is the home interface. So that's how you can install the right Smart Audiobook Player app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.